2B, this is a pretty important lesson because it talks about fingering. Up until this point, you have only had to cover 5 notes at one time, which is great because we have 5 fingers. Now we need to cover 6 notes with only 5 fingers. Now there are several different techniques that you will need to know. For instance, this first song called A Time to Ponder. It never gets down to the C, so all we had to do was shift our hand over from C position to the D, and we have enough fingers. Whereas this next song called Hannon Got Stuck, we need to go from the C to the A, but we skipped the D, so we really only have 5 notes. If you skipped normally, you wouldn't have enough fingers to get to that A. So what we do is we just keep our thumb on C, slide our other 4 fingers over, and we have enough notes. There is another trick. This one will look at Lavender's Blue, which starts off in C position. And then we have to get to the A, so we just move our hand over once we get to that point. Then we go back to the C position. Another song, This Old Man, starts off in D position. Then we need to get to the C, so we just slide our thumb over. And then we have all 5 fingers going up to the G, and we're back in C position. There can still be another scenario. Let's look at Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. This one starts off with, then we have to get somehow back to the C. Now we've run out of fingers, so here's the trick. All we have to do is switch fingers, and we're back to C position. Now if we look at the left hand, we have a similar thing. Let's look at Greensleeves. So we have several ways we can do that. We have to get down to this E somehow. First way is just to skip this B and then use your thumb to pick it up there. That is probably the best way to do that one. Another option would be then put your thumb there. Again, my favorite option is so there are several tricks and techniques that you can use for using 6 notes with only 5 fingers. And we will get into some more tricks as we get further into the method.